Hey guys, it's Nimbus cubing here, and this is my first vlog video about the CFOP tutorial guide. I'm here to teach you guys OLL. OLL is the third part of CFOP Friedrich method, which is O stands for OLL and OLL for orienting last layer, which means solving the last layer. So basically means solving the white piece. So I solve it on my way because we'll be only focusing on OLL. That makes my last layer is white. So, which means I have to orient these pieces, making it all faces the same way. So basically I need to complete the white side, and this is how to do it. So the white piece is complete, and that's our goal. Finish F2L, you will get an OLL cases like this, and you need to do is to solve this case, like all the white facing up, and then next is the PLL, which is we will proceed in the next video. So our goal is to rotate all colors the same, and there's different algorithms for different cases. Basically there are 57 OLL cases, means they have different algorithms. So for this case I just do different algorithms which solve a different case which I can solve. So what I am saying is you gotta solve the white cross or whatever your top layer is, because there are only 7 different cases which has a cross in the top layer. So I just do an algorithm here and I get a white cross, and I know all the cases with cross. So if I get an cases without a cross, I just do an algorithm and solved it to form a cross, and now I can solve the cases, and there you go, the top layer is done. So let's see how to solve a cross. So this is what the cross looks like, and before that there are lots of cases, that a bunch of cases that we can get in before we can get the cross. Sometimes we get cases like this cases, and this case. So sometimes you can get a cases like this, like it has only a one piece at the center only in the top, and the pieces at the side. So to solve the white cross, all you need to do is to use this algorithm, which is F R U R prime U prime then F. So if it doesn't has a white cross, you need to repeat the same algorithm again and again until you get the white cross. And here you can get the white cross, and this white cross is a algorithm to solve the top layer. So that is the algorithm to solve the cross. This case that we solve is belong to the case that we cross that I can solve. So let's start to know what are the different cross cases and learn each of their algorithms. So our first case is the white cross that has a headlights, and at the back also has a headlights. So two opposite headlights, and it forms like a cross. So the algorithm for this is the algorithm we use in to form the cross, and repeat it 3 times. So the algorithm is F R Q R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime and F prime. So that's the algorithm to use the cross with the headlights. So the next case is the cross, but this time it has a headlights here, but at the back it doesn't have headlights. So the piece is in the side. So you have to hold the cube like this and do the algorithm R U2 R2 R prime R2 U prime R2 U2 R. So that's the algorithm to solve that case. So the next case is the what I call it is right fish or right soon, because it is a cross that has a white piece here, so it looks like a fish. So you gotta hold the cube like this and do the algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So that's the algorithm to solve the right soon or right fish. So the next case is the left soon. It is similar to the right soon, but the white piece that is located here is already on the left side, so I call it left soon. So hold the cube like this and do the trigger L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L, and that's the algorithm to solve the white or the left soon. So the next case is the headlights. It is a headlights because at the back it has a headlights. So you hold the cube like this and do the algorithm R prime U2 R F U prime R prime U prime R U and F prime. So that's the algorithm to solve the headlights. The next case is similar to headlights, but it doesn't have a headlights. Instead it has the white pieces in the side, so here like this. So you hold the cube like this and do the trigger small r. So small r is hold the two column and rotate r, then u r prime u prime l prime u r u. So that's the algorithm to solve that case. So then the last case is the ribbon. So the algorithm for this is similar to the last case. So the algorithm, you gotta hold the cube like this and do the algorithm front small little r u r prime u prime l prime u r. So that's the algorithm to solve the ribbon. So those are all the algorithms to solve OLL with cross. So keep watching over and over again till you memorize all the algorithms. Keep practicing till you get it really fast. Learn it one by one and practice it. So this is the time end of this video. If you like it or it helps you, give this video a like and subscribe. And see you to the next video. Peace out.